All right, welcome to problem number 5. My circumference, I don't know. They put an X, that means it's an unknown. My radius is 4.4 meters. It's not written in the picture, so you don't get to have a visual. They're starting to help you understand that we can see it in words and we can see it in written form. We don't actually always have to have a picture to tell us. So what I need you to do is look at problems number 1 and 2, look at those videos, and try and remember how, or if you can't remember, how to solve for a circumference with a radius. Those are your example videos. Plug in your formula, type that in, plug in your values, work your order of operations, put your answer in the pink box there, check it with the slide that has the answer bank on it, because that's where you're going to copy and paste that picture. But problem number 5 is just like problems number 1 and 2. You're going to go through the same steps. So I'm not going to walk you through that. If you do need a reference, go ahead and look at those videos to remind you what you need to do to solve for a circumference with a radius of 4.4.